Hey guys, I hope you're well. I hope to add a couple of clips to the last video. Unfortunately, with software on my phone, wouldn't let me. That's all good. I've added them to this one. If you're enjoying these, give us a comment of things you want to see more of. If there's things you don't like, let us know. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope you enjoy this one. It's been an interesting few days. I'll say that at least. Hope you enjoy. Well then guys, made it to Arch Creek rest stop. This isn't actually the campground. I'm sat down by the river at the moment. It's a really nice spot. I just need some shade. My lips are real dry. Today's been the first sunny day since, well, on this leg. It was good. Once got out of Ravenshoe, pretty much downhill, flew down. Felt good to be going back at a normal or even quicker speed for once on this trip. The campground is just a big open field. There's quite a few camper vans in there. I'm gonna try and find a shaded spot in there, get out of the sun a bit. And later I might even try and have a little fish, see if anything's happening. The guy in Atherton Fish and Tackle said it was good fishing this time of year, so you never know. You never know. I was gonna cook up dinner, but I just can't be bothered today. I've got this very stale bread and some avocado, and I've got 2 hard-boiled eggs, which I boiled up last night. So I'm gonna have them now, and then probably just do some journaling, read my book, and hit the hay. I think I might try for an 80-odd K day tomorrow, which will be my biggest one so far. So it should be good. I keep saying it should be good. Maybe it won't be good. Either way, good night, guys. Well, morning, guys. Another pretty cold night in the tent. Lips are still pretty dry. Just having some stale bread and banana. This bread is bread that I got in Atherton from the Woolies. Quite often in Woolies you'll see they have sections where you can buy individual rolls, and that's pretty much what I've done. Just threw them straight in the basket and straight into my bags. Which is probably why they're pretty stale now, 2 days on. Right next to this pretty busy roads, got woken up a few times by big trucks coming past, and then they came and emptied the bins here early this morning as well. Not quite sure what to do today. Not feeling 100%, feeling a bit sick, runny nose and whatnot. So Mount Garnet is about 30 k's away, and there's a place I can stop there, but we'll see. Bike's pretty much all packed, ready to go. It's just about 10 o'clock. 30 k's to Mount Garnet, and then we'll go from there. My clothes are soaking wet. I tried to wash them in the stream yesterday and thought I would have enough light for them to dry out, but they haven't. So it might be a bit of an uncomfortable ride until they dry out. I also had this guy pulled up next to me and said, are you my stepson who's cycling around Australia? Sorry, big man, it's not me. Made it to Mount Garnet. Had a really slow morning. The ride was good pace, but left too late. to smash out the 89k day to 40 Scrub National Park was where I was thinking about getting to earlier. I got in here around midday, which would have left me 4 or 5 hours to get there. Another 50k with filming. Probably would have been touch and go whether I would have got there before nightfall. Probably would have been fine, but I popped in at the local pub here to charge my phone and get a cup of coffee and realised it was State of Origin tonight. So I'm gonna go into the pub, watch the game. I'm set up just behind a BP petrol station at the moment, free camp as well, which is good. Calm the Blues. Yow! Literally just left the campsite. Just pulled up. There's a dead wallaby or kangaroo in the middle of the road. So I'm just gonna pull him off the road. Ugh. Just taking him off the road. There's heaps of birds circling it. You get these birds come down and then they get hit by cars. There's a fella, Wildman Adventures, taught me to, just from watching him on Facebook and Instagram and stuff, Wildman Adventures, shout outs, pull anything you see off the road, protect the birds, protect anything that's coming to eat it, protect them from cars and trucks and whatnot. That's my good deed done, feeling good. About 40 k's in, skip breakfast today, so I'm gonna get weird. They only had oranges at the servo there, the BP. Orange, coconut oil. Swole. Not bad. I'm struggling, guys. Felt good today. Couldn't get any bananas or any bread or anything like that. They were all just wrapped up in plastic. There were no bananas there, but you can buy loaves of bread in, standard kind of plasticky bags. It's not possible to do this without bread, I reckon. It sounds silly, but I need carbs, and can't ride sustainable distances without that. And I think just in this area, it's too regional. Everything comes in plastic. It's just not possible. Not the way I'm doing it, at least. I might have to change a few things, try and figure a few things out. I'm just at this cattle station now. You can camp here and stuff, so I'm camping here for the night. Made me a toasty, cup of coffee, couple of pomegranates, passion fruits. Yeah, I'm just drained. Did 55 k's today, and my legs couldn't do anymore. And I wanted to push and do 120 to get to Mount Surprise. Just couldn't.